Hey there, superstars. Get ready to turbocharge your brain power. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey, soaring into the stratosphere of the mind, where we'll discover how to unlock your true mental potential. Picture yourself strapped into a rocket, ready to blast off into a universe of possibilities. That's right, we're about to launch into a realm of knowledge that will revolutionize the way you think and feel. This isn't your typical everyday journey. No, we're about to navigate the star-studded cosmos of your mind, uncovering the secrets that will supercharge your thoughts and emotions, fuel your creativity, and spark your imagination. We're going to explore the vast expanse of your mental universe, revealing the tips and tricks that will transform your mindset and elevate your consciousness. Imagine the stars as your thoughts, each one burning brightly, each one a beacon of potential. Now imagine harnessing that energy, that raw, untamed power, and using it to shape your reality. This is no fantasy, no flight of fancy. This is the here and now. This is the incredible power of the human mind. A power that lies within each and every one of us. But this isn't just about unleashing your potential. It's about understanding it, nurturing it, and channeling it in ways that will enhance your life and the lives of those around you. So buckle up and prepare for liftoff as we delve into the depths of your psyche, unlocking the secrets of your mind, and setting your potential free. So are you ready to ignite your inner genius? Ready to reach for the stars and grasp the infinite possibilities that lie within your mind? Excellent. There's a universe of knowledge waiting to be discovered, a cosmos of potential ready to be unleashed. So let's dive in. Let's embark on this incredible journey together, and let's see where it takes us. After all, the sky's the limit when it comes to the power of the human mind. Get ready to flip the switch on negativity and amp up your positivity. You see, our minds are like powerful magnets, pulling in experiences that match our thoughts. If you're constantly focusing on the negatives, well, that's what you'll attract. But if you can shift your mindset, filling it with positive thoughts, you'll start to attract positive experiences. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, everything becomes clearer, brighter, and more enjoyable. So, how do you supercharge your thoughts with positivity? It's simpler than you might think. Start by acknowledging your negative thoughts. Don't push them away or ignore them. Instead, say hello, invite them in for a cup of tea, and then politely show them the door. Remember, you're the one in control here, not your thoughts. Next, replace those pesky negative thoughts with positive ones. Imagine your mind as a garden. You wouldn't let weeds overrun your beautiful flowers, would you? Of course not. You'd pull them out and plant more flowers. Do the same with your thoughts. Whenever a negative thought pops up, pull it out and plant a positive one in its place. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice positive thinking, the easier it becomes. It's like training a muscle. At first, it might feel a little uncomfortable, a little unnatural. But keep at it. Before long, positive thinking will become second nature, and you'll start to see the world in a whole new light. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they might seem. Got up on time? Great job. Finished a project at work? You're a superstar. By celebrating your wins, you're reinforcing your positive thinking and creating a cycle of positivity that will keep you motivated and inspired. Zap, zap, zap. Look at those negative thoughts vanish into thin air. You've just taken the first step towards becoming a more positive, happier you. So keep going, keep growing, and remember, you've got this. Your brain is like a superhero that needs fuel to save the day, so give it the best fuel possible. It's not just about what you feed your mind, but also your body. A healthy lifestyle is key to unlocking the full potential of your brain power. Imagine your brain as a high-performance engine. Just as a car runs best with high-quality fuel, your brain thrives with the right nutrients. Incorporate a rainbow of fruits and vegetables into your diet to ensure you're getting a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are the building blocks your brain needs to function at its best. Stay hydrated, folks. Water is essential for all bodily functions, and the brain is no exception. When you're well hydrated, your brain is better equipped to process information, make decisions, and even manage your mood. So remember to keep that water bottle handy. But it's not just about what you consume. Physical exercise is also a vital part of the equation. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, which can help improve cognitive function and memory. Plus, it's a great way to blow off steam and reduce stress, which can also boost your mental health. So, whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, find an activity that you love and make it a part of your daily routine. It's like giving your brain a workout too. And let's not forget about sleep. Quality rest is like a superhero's secret weapon. It's during sleep that our brains process and consolidate the day's experiences and learnings. Lack of sleep can cloud your thinking and even affect your mood. So make sure you're catching those Z's. In essence, powering up your brain with healthy habits is like giving your mind its very own superhero cape. It's about taking care of your body from the inside out, and in turn, boosting your brain's ability to think, learn, and solve problems. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Look at me go. With these healthy habits in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to supercharging your brain power. So go forth and let your brain be the superhero it was meant to be. Get ready to tap into your inner Zen master and unleash the power of mindfulness. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is mindfulness? Well, it's the art of being completely present in the moment, fully engaged in whatever you're doing, not distracted by your thoughts. It's about observing life as it unfolds, without judgment or bias. Imagine you're a lotus flower, floating peacefully on the calm surface of a pond. You're not concerned about the past or the future. You're simply existing right here, right now. That's mindfulness. And what's so magical about mindfulness, you ask? It's a powerful tool that can help you reduce stress, increase focus, and enhance emotional resilience. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and composure. Now let's embark on a brief mindfulness exercise. Close your eyes. If it's comfortable for you, take a deep breath in, hold it, and then let it out. Feel the air entering your lungs, filling them up, and then leaving your body. Let your attention rest on your breath. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently guide it back to your breath. Notice the sensations in your body, the weight of your body on the chair, the floor beneath your feet, the air touching your skin. Try to stay in this moment, fully present and aware. And now, slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? A little more relaxed, perhaps, a little more at peace. That's the magic of mindfulness. Remember, mindfulness isn't something you perfect overnight. It's a journey, and like any journey, it has its challenges. But with patience and persistence, you'll find your way. So, my friend, let's ignite your inner Zen with the magic of mindfulness. Practice it daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. You'll be amazed at the transformation it can bring. Inhale, exhale. You are a mindfulness master. And there you have it, folks. With these supercharged tips and tricks, you'll be unstoppable in unlocking the full potential of your mind. We've journeyed together through the landscape of your brain, discovering how to supercharge your thoughts with positivity, power up your brain with healthy habits, and ignite your inner Zen with mindfulness magic. Let's take a moment to reflect on the power of positivity. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality, and when you use positivity as your secret weapon, you can create a world that's as vibrant and sparkling as a fireworks display on the 4th of July. So whenever those pesky negative thoughts try to sneak in, blast them away with a megawatt smile and a positive thought. Next, we powered up your brain with healthy habits. Your brain is a superhero, and just like any superhero, it needs the right fuel to perform at its best. So load up on those colorful fruits and veggies, hydrate like a pro, and get moving. You'll be amazed at the difference these simple changes can make. Finally, we ignited your inner Zen with mindfulness magic. By tapping into the tranquility within, you can melt away stress like ice cream on a hot summer's day. So take a deep breath, let go of your worries, and float on that cloud of calm. Now that you're armed with these tips and tricks, it's time to put them into action. Apply these strategies in your own life and witness the transformation. You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve when you unlock the full potential of your mind. It's time to conquer the world with your newfound brain power. Remember, you are the master of your mind, and with these tools, you're unstoppable. So go forth, superstars, and let your brain shine brighter than ever before. Until next time, stay sensational.